Good morning, students. Students, today we will discuss about the types of farming from lesson number 26, agriculture. So, let's start today's topic about the types of farming. So, farming can be classified into two types, subsistence and commercial farming. So, what do you mean by subsistence farming? It means it is practiced by a farmer to meet the needs of his family. Here, the size of the land is very small and the members of the household work on farm themselves, and here the use of technology is bare minimum, right? It means that now farming is done by using simple tools and animals. Then again, this subsistence farming can be further classified into two parts, intensive and primitive. So intensive agriculture, it is practiced in thickly populated regions of Asia, China, Indonesia and Japan. So here the farm size is very small, and use of simple tools and animals like buffaloes and oxen, and use of high yielding variety of seeds and natural manure, chemical insecticides and fertilizers to increase the productivity. And what do you mean by primitive agriculture? It means primitive means it refers to the type of agriculture that practiced since primitive times, such as nomadic herding and shifting cultivation. So what do you mean by nomadic herding? It means it is practiced by nomadic tribes, who are having different types of animal, and all depending upon the nature, that like goats, sheep or yak, animals that provide them milk and meat. So uh, next is the shifting cultivation. It is also known as slash and burn agriculture, and it is also primitive way of agriculture that is practiced by thickly tropical forests of Amazon basin especially. And here the cultivators abandon the land and move to the another area, and it is practiced in areas of heavy rainfall, where your regeneration of forest is quick. And in India, shifting cultivation is known as zooming in northeastern states, means in Assam, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. It is known as zooming cultivation. And next is your types of farming. Commercial farming is also one of the type of farming. And here, what do you mean by commercial farming? It means that crops are grown for commercial purpose, right? For commercial purpose, it means the capital invested in the farm is very high, and the large farms spreading over hundred of hectares, and even farmers, they have proper storage facilities too, and modern type of tools, and like seed drillers or harvesters, threshers, that are used for different types of farming activities. Next is mixed farming. It means that the land is used for growing food and fodder, both crops, as well as for rearing livestock. So in this one is in mixed farming, the mixed farming is mainly practiced in Europe, in USA, in Argentina, sorry. It helps farmers to earn more from the same land. While animal waste, here this farming is done for both food and fodder. It means that here the animal waste is used as manure. Waste from the farm is used for feeding animals. So next is your plantation agriculture. So plantation agriculture means planting a single tree, single type of tree or bush crop on a very extensive scale, like crops like tea, coffee, banana, sugarcane, rubber, cotton. They are grown which continue to give yield over the years. And this type of plantation agriculture needs or requires a huge capital. Farms are here very large, and intensive use of machines, and skilled labors are required for such kind of plantation agriculture. So students, I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.